Hey everyone, it's Elisa. I'm coming to you with some really important information now. The past couple days, we've had some really big things happening in the world of Etsy. There's some big people who have been in this industry for a couple of years saying that they are quitting Etsy. And I'm talking about some big people. We've got things happening where TikTok might be banned. Let me tell you, if you plan on leaving Etsy, quitting Etsy, or making any changes, you got to make sure that you do not leave without your customer reviews. Now, I will make a video. I cannot do it today because I've got too many things to make, but I'm going to make a video for you guys in the next couple of days to show you how to take all of your customer reviews with you to your new website. And I'm going to be talking specifically about taking your Etsy reviews over to your Shopify website, because if you're going to quit like most people are doing right now, then you definitely don't want to leave that on the table. I know that we think these platforms own all the information, but our reviews are our reviews on our products, and you have a right to take those with you. And I have done this on all of my reviews. I have moved them over to my Shopify website so that people know where to get my products that I have been shipping for the last 17 years, and I have reviews. So I have migrated thousands of reviews that I have gotten on Etsy to my Shopify site, and I used an app to do it, and I will show you the app that I used to do it. But I want you guys to comment below if you want me to do this, because like I said, it is the holiday season. I'm pretty busy, but do not quit. Do not shut down your store unless you take your reviews with you. You can take your written reviews, you can take reviews with photos of your customers, you can move it all over so that you have it, and it's an easy way to do it. But do not just leave the platform and leave everything behind. Make sure that you prepare all of your stuff and download it before you go. You can even download all of your information, your sales, your listings. So make sure that you're prepared before you quit. I am a person who's shouted out that I quit Etsy as well. And believe me, I was very pissed and angry, and you don't want to see that video because I lost my marbles. So I know how it feels to just be fed up and say, I am out of here, I'm leaving, I'm gone, because they have pushed you over the edge. But trust me, do not leave all of your information and all of your hard work on the table. You've got to prepare to do this. You have to make sure that you have prepared to make your exit. Don't just fly off the handle like I did, okay? So please, if you want me to make the video for you to show you how to grab all your crap off of Etsy, grab all of your reviews, grab all of your listing information, grab all of your sales, and take it with you, comment below. Say, hey, Elisa, make the video, and I will stop what I'm doing and try to get it up as soon as I can to help you guys, okay? But please don't just quit. And I gotta say, it's just a sad day when I see people that I look up to, people that I've been following for years here on YouTube, that are staples in our industry and in our community, saying that they have just had enough. The changes are driving them away. I, like I said, did this myself. You just get to a point where you don't want to deal with it anymore. So, again, I will help you guys if you're trying to transition out. I've been trying to put up videos to help you to make sure that you are making your sales daily and giving you tips, but this is something that I just had to stop in the middle of all my crafting and making and make this quick, unedited video just to tell you there's a way to do it that will make sure you don't walk away empty-handed, okay? I'm Elisa. Make sure you comment below, like this video, and I'll make a video to show you how to export everything out of Etsy and over to your Shopify site so you can start anew, but you don't have to start from scratch, okay? Because people deserve to know that you have a track record of sales, you have a track record of reviews, and that you have the right information with you when you go pack your bags up. But make sure that when you're packing your bags up, before you shut down that site, that you are prepared. Okay, I really gotta go, I'll see you guys another day, but make sure that you please, please, please leave me a comment if you want me to make that video, okay? Thank you so much. Bye-bye.